and welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to 2022. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please stick around to the end of this video. Leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Also join my Discord. I'm active the first 1 to 3 hours of the market open each and every single day, as well as providing a watch list, providing information and news on particular stocks that I'm currently day trading. But with that being said, let's get into the reason why we're here, and let's talk about SoFi and the 2022 projections and price targets that myself personally has in line for SoFi. So if you are currently a small cap investor, you have been feeling some significant pain for what feels like years now. Okay, the IWM, a ton of small cap stocks, a ton of stocks that did absolutely phenomenal in 2020 and the first little portion of 2021 have just realistically seemed like dead fish in a pond for months and months and months on end. But what I want to go ahead and take a look at here is SoFi tends to trade in these big, long 3-month ranges. If we kind of look up here at 5/21/21, we get this big, massive run up all the way up to $25, and then we get a big crash down here, in between 7/12 and 8/2, right around this range, 8/16. So August, July, August into September, again, 3 months worth of just sideways consolidation. Doesn't really feel like the stock can do anything much. And then coming here into October, we get this next big run up all the way into the 20s, almost to that $25 mark. And then realistically in the beginning of November, we start to fade off, going to current time now, currently in January. So we look at November, December, currently January. This would be the third month in this 3-month wave that SoFi has kind of been trading in. So with that being said, right now in this current time frame that we're at right in here is kind of like this time frame that we're at right in here. So with that being said, this is a potential opportunity to start loading your portfolio with some SoFi. If you've currently got some SoFi at a little bit of a higher price than what we're currently trading at now, $15.81, I wouldn't mind and be opposed to kind of averaging down on that position, because what we're going to do is use this $13 as an absolute stop. If I was to add to my position currently right now at $15.84 and the stock price drops below $13, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that position, because then we're going to have a little bit bigger problems. And I would look for a bigger macro overview as to why we couldn't hold this year-long support. So all of 2021, we kind of only came down and touched this $13 area a handful of times, and each time that we've been down in the bottom of this range, we've held. And when we've started to move higher and clear out some of these levels of supply, we've ran significantly higher. So if you can get in currently at a stock price of around $15.81, and let's say for the next 1 to 3 months time from current January 2022 time frame that we're at, if we can make a push into this $20 area, start reclaiming the 50-day moving average at around 1814, I think that's when the stock is going to start to see some significant momentum from retail traders start to pile in these small cap stocks that have sort of been beaten up for a while now. For me, we would need to clear out the 50-day moving average, get over that $18.40. That's going to give us a clear push up to $22. And my price target for SoFi, just based on what I'm looking at here, if we can hold this bottom range down here and hold this $13 level and continuously start to build off of these levels. Now, mind you, I think that SoFi still has at least another 2 to 4 weeks of this sort of choppiness and this sort of, up and down, up and down. But what I would like to see is to start making some higher highs and start attacking some of these supply zones. Next supply zone being $16.75, kind of come up here, overshoot that, back test, get a break and retest here, then maybe come up to the $17.50 range. As soon as we can sort of clear out the supply, get a break, back test, and then sort of start working our way up higher into this 50-day moving average. Obviously, my price target for the next 6 months on SoFi is a retest of $25, within 6 months. So I figure if we can get into this stock now currently at a buy price at around $14 to $15, with the potential price target in 6 months of 25 is going to be a great, fantastic risk to reward ratio, just being that we're going to use $13 as an absolute stop. Guys, I'm going to make a ton of videos like this, kind of outline some particular stocks that I think are going to be huge in 2022. If you guys want more videos like this, want some more technical analysis, levels, and breakdowns, feel free to use the comment section. Drop me a comment, leave me a ticker of a particular stock that you're interested in. I'll go ahead and take a look at the macro picture and kind of see the levels that we can sort of play around with short term and long term. Also, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Great, fantastic group of traders there. I have a free section as well as a paid section. Just come hang out. Come spend a week with us, see what we do, see if you like the community. And until next time, I will see you guys all on the next video.